Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on our Mazda 3. We're going to be changing out our head unit. Right now we have an Headunit head unit screen, and today we're going to be swapping it for something that's better. So this is from Car Tech Studio, and they sent us a new and improved Android screen for the Mazda 3. The main difference with this is it's higher quality, more reliable, and it has a physical volume knob, because trying to deal with the plus minus on the touchscreen can get quite annoying when you're trying to focus on driving. So what comes in the box is the touchscreen with the volume knob, along with the module itself, which is right here with the ribbon cable attached already. If we look inside the box, we have plenty of instructions, very clear, easy to read, and we have all of the harnesses and wires necessary. Depends on which car you're ordering this for. If you order it for a different car, you're going to get a different custom harness so that everything works properly. Taking a look at the back ports, you can see we have a 360 cam port, an AR camera port, Wi-Fi, GPS, 4G antennas, 2 of them, OTG USB ports, 2 regular USB ports, radio antenna, external microphone, HDMI out. Let's go ahead and install it on the Mazda 3. This is a 2011 and it's very simple to remove the head unit from here. You just got to pry out the AC vents, and then you can take this out and then just swap the cables over. Everything is color coded, so it's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you have the original head unit like this one, there's going to be 2 screws right here that you just remove, and then you can pop it out. But for this, there is no screws, so you can just pull and it'll come off very easily. From here in the back, you just got to remove these 3 cable harnesses, and then we can take the screen out and start swapping things over. So I got the old harness out and all the wires are freed up now. This big one right here is going to go to this one here, and everything pretty much connects to where they're supposed to connect to. This one goes to the head unit itself. This one right here goes to the antenna, which is right there. This one connects to the head unit, is for the antenna. Okay, I've gotten everything buttoned up. It's installed. We can turn it on and I can show you all the features that it has. It looks very clean, very slick in my wife's Mazda 3. Let's go ahead and turn it on and show you how it looks. It's got a quick boot up time of about 2 to 3 seconds. This is the latest model for a head unit specs. It's got the latest specs. It's very quick and very fast. It's Android 13, which is the latest one on most Android head units out there. It has the latest Snapdragon 8-core processor with a GPU, the Adreno 610, which means this is a very strong unit. It has 8 gigs of RAM, so plenty of RAM to do some multitasking and split screen. And you have 128 gigabytes of storage. The screen itself is 1280 by 800. For this screen size, this is plenty. It looks HD and very high quality to me. I love how snappy the unit is. It's very quick. It doesn't hang up. It doesn't freeze. I haven't experienced any ghost touches yet, which is very common with cheaper head units. There's plenty of options to add a backup camera, a regular camera for the front, and also a 360 camera. I don't have any cameras on this car at the moment, but I will plan on installing a rear view camera in this one eventually. I can show you what apps come pre-installed with it. This looks like it comes with the Play Store, Google Chrome. It also has YouTube and YouTube Music, Google Maps. You can even control your fan. That's cool, so you can make sure that this unit runs cool and doesn't overheat. And you of course have Netflix, which is useful if you're trying to watch while you're parked or on a road trip with family. Z-Link is going to be the main app you use to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can set up through wireless, which I'm going to show you how to do. You can also use the USB cable to connect wired if you'd like. That way you don't have any lag, but wireless is more convenient, so I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so we're going to look for Rockola Bluetooth. You're going to click on that and then connect it to the head unit itself. It's going to ask for a pairing request. Let's go ahead and press pair. And then you can allow contacts and favorites to sync. Let's do that. And just like that, it's connecting. So you're just going to press connect on your phone to CarPlay and you're in. Very snappy, as you can see. Very quick, very seamless. The screen quality is amazing. It's very bright and clear. I'm going to go ahead and play a song so we can test out the sound quality with these stock speakers on our Mazda 3. Alright, so I can already tell the sound quality is a lot better. Let's listen to the bass real quick just to kind of see how that sounds. The speakers are exactly the same, but for some reason the sound quality on this through the speakers is a lot better with this head unit compared to the Headunit one or even the stock one. What's also great is you have an equalizer on this head unit. You can choose how many channels this car has. So we do not have a subwoofer or center channel, so we're just going to choose 4 channels because we only have 4 speakers on this car. Another good thing about these is it has plenty of EQ presets. So you can choose hip hop, popular. There's just so many to choose from. You can go ahead and play around with whatever sounds best to you. I'm going to stick with standard for now because I think it sounds really good. If you are the one who likes to tinker with these kind of things, you can go ahead and adjust things manually. Man, there's so many options here. I do not know what any of these do, but if you are an audiophile, I'm pretty sure you do. If you want to adjust your EQ manually, you have 48 channels to choose from. And as you can see here, you can access 3 full pages worth of sliders. I will just leave it on the presets, which is standard. So we've been using this head unit now for a couple of days, and I got the backup camera installed, or the rear view camera installed. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put it in reverse. So you can see right there, it has the parking lines. It's high definition. The camera is amazing so far. I'll put a link in the description as well for the camera if you're interested in buying the one that they provide. That way you can have a plug-and-play solution for this. The steering wheel controls also work, so I'm going to go ahead and increase the volume right here. And decreasing also works as well. The forward and back buttons also work, and then I put mode as home, so if I press mode it'll go back to the main screen. Overall, I think this is an amazing head unit for the price. It's very reliable. There hasn't been any glitches, hasn't been any issues that normal Android head units have. I think we will enjoy this one for the next few months, and then I'll get back to you guys with a long-term review after a few months. If there's any issues that arise along the way, I'll let you guys know. But for now, this is a really amazing device. And if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comments below. I'll leave a link in the description along with a discount code if you want to purchase one for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good afternoon.